Shout out to my mom.
I'm gonna go sit down.
Yeah, shout out to Reese's mom.
Shout out to my mom 2.0. Shout out to my mom 3.0. Oh shit. We're up to the triples, baby.
Hey guys, yes, you read correctly. I shot somebody on the mouth today. Let's relive that moment through the wonders of recorded video, shall we?
Over towing truck.
Hey, how's schooling?
Oh, dude, I had an exam this morning.
No.
What are you going to school for? What are you, a doctor now or something?
Engineering stuff.
We're not playing capture.
Housekeeping!
Kaboom! Kaboom!
So fucking
You're okay.
Sorry, my PTSD from air cadets is kicking in.
Please, have you heard the schizophrenia thing? It's like the Bible in your left ear, classical Chinese Bible in your left ear.
入德记第1章。当世师秉政的时候，国中遭遇饥荒。
Fossil Airsoft.
Hello! Oh, one down, okay.
This is quite homoerotic.
No, no, no.
Oh my god, oh my god. It ain't looking good, boys. Coming in.
Hi.
All right, I'm not going out there.
I can't say that. Ad revenue. Yeah, I can't say that.
Hold on.
What are you doing? Almost actually.
That's good, thank you.
I'm shooting at.
That means Jazakallah khair. May Allah promote you to an air conditioner.
He's dead inside on the right. Die, gray
Hey,
shirt.
Mark has our left side.
Die.
Oh, Susie. Dude, don't take your muzzle out. Don't take your muzzle out. You didn't know where you are. Don't take it out.
Hey, quite close, quite close.
He's doing the dance. No, not yet. That's okay.
Shit. Guess I'm gonna close that.
Close it for now. Yeah.
You should shoot that. Close the door.
Cocksucker, I'm fucking dead.
One down at barn. Listen, I gotta go. Close it. How am I not dead? You okay? I got him in the mouth, dude. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh, it's all good, man.
No, like, was it lip or not?
Lip.
Oh, thank God.
Because all I see is just like, you know, and then I'm like,
Oh, I wasn't sure. It hurt, and then I fucking just bleeding.
Hey, make sure. Hey, take this as a sign to get more face, bro.
Yeah.
or a bigger beard, or a bigger beard.
Yeah, that'll do. All right, man. Well.
It's all good, man.
All right.
Have to stay within the 3 buildings. You are in the ravine, you must come back up.
One down, black jacket. One dead in the cabin. Okay. Okay. Hit. Hit player. Yep, hit player. I think they're like watching for runners and they say go and then they'll peek. Yeah. They have a guy on standby. I'm waiting. I want to get up there for an A throw. I'm gonna approach from the left side and so they can't see me. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry. Adrenaline.
Hey, you got grenades?
I do.
Huh? Close the door, man.
Front or back?
What?
Front window or back window?
I can't tell.
They're watching. This only window that's open.
Look out.
Nathan,
That's game, that's game. What the fuck? I hear it. There's too many guns.
too much PTSD in this this cabin.
Damn, we were almost there. Good job, guys.
Jump for the nade at your feet. Watch out, watch out. Don't move, don't move.
Yo, yo, yo.
It's live.
Who always killed us, dude? Oh, man.
Okay, one down, Starbucks.
Hit players coming out center, let them out. Hit players coming out center, let them out. Hit players.
Yep.
Where are they shooting from?
The far right corner. Oh, good shot!
Alrighty, no more airsoft today. As for our friend that took a shot to the lip, he's tough as nails and was in good spirits. He actually normally snipes, so I'm not sure if he was counting on kissing any BBs up close like that one. If you've been watching my content for a while, I think by now you'd know I have an unintentional track record of nut shots, but I think lip shots are making a comeback. Sorry in advance. I know the option for comfort over safety is a nice privilege here at my field, but try and protect your entire face if you can help it. Take care, guys.